Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Delicious cooking. This is your host Tusha. Today I just had something special for my vegetarian and vegan brothers and sisters. I wanted to show you how to make vegetable stock. So if you discover any preparation or recipe you really enjoy, at least you can use that as base for it. You don't have to worry about not being able to make that recipe because the recipe was prepared with some kind of animal stock. So now you have vegetable stock. You can make whatever you like with it. If you do like a specific recipe, I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One over a period of 45 minutes, and then one over a period of 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Enjoy. Stock pot on the oven and turn it to medium heat. We're going to add 3 tablespoonfuls olive oil. And add 2 bay leaves and stir. Once it warms, we're going to slice the shallots and onions and add, and make sure you stir. The goal here is to try to saute the onions till it's cooked or turns slightly brown. We're just going to slice the celery stem into tiny slices and add. We're going to keep stirring. You're just going to slice the ginger sticks and garlic cloves, and then also add. We stir after each addition. The garlic cloves, you slice it up and then just add and stir. We want to make sure we saute the onions till it's done. The onions and shallots till it's cooked, or at least till it turns slightly brown. And then once we get to the point where the onion is cooked or slightly brown, the onion and shallots, we're just going to add 14 to 16 cups of water to the stock pot. And then stir. Then we're going to proceed to add the sliced carrots. Shall we add in the peppercorns now? Just crush and add. Slice the carrots up and add. We're going to do the same for the parsnip sticks. Add. And then stir. And then we're just going to add the rosemary. And then after that, the sprigs of thyme. And then we're just going to cover it. You can leave a crack, of the lid. And then just, reduce the heat to simmer for about 45 minutes. It's 45 minutes. So it's pretty much done. We're just going to remove the vegetables and then strain the stock pretty much through a cheesecloth and a fine strainer. So we're just removing the vegetables now. And that's pretty much the residual stock. We're going to then filter it or strain it with the help of a cheesecloth and that fine strainer. We're going to repeat the same process for the whole stock or entire stock. And then we're also going to add the residual stock from the vegetables we collected or removed. And that should complete the preparation. I was thinking, if you're a business or restaurant and you really enjoy these recipes and you manage to pilfer or amend, any of them and incorporate them in your menu, at least, give me some kind of credit. Name it after me. All right, thank you very much. Ciao, ciao. All right, comment down below if you have any questions and I'll address them. Feel free to share these videos and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to also hit the notification button so you can always get access to new content I create. Thank you very much and have a good evening.